What's up, everybody? Mower Medic 1 here, and today we are going to replace the drive belt on a John Deere riding lawnmower. But I learned something today when I went to get my parts. He said, man, do you have your serial number? He said, there's a serial number break on these two drive belts. And he said that the LA100, which is the one that I have, takes a different belt than the other LA series tractors. He says, yes, it's a 100 series tractor, but it takes a different belt. And let me show you what I found when I did a little inner screens digging. Here is the actual John Deere website, and it's very confusing to me whenever you have the model number right here in the description, LA100, and it's showing, you know, it doesn't tell you on the website that you have a serial number break, but here is the part number for what they're telling me that it, if I was to order that GX20006, that would be the wrong belt for my LA100. And if we scroll down, fits on 100 series, but take a look. It fits all of these D series, all of the 105, 115, the D series, and scroll down to L130, and here's LA110. Where's my tractor? Where's the LA100? There is a discrepancy somewhere in the parts department or somewhere along the way. It should have gotten put in here, but I don't know what's going on here. When it says in the description of the belt that it fits an LA100 right there, but when, you know, when you scroll down to the what tractors this belt fits, it's not there. This is why it's so important to have your serial number when you go to your dealership or your parts department. Now, this is the belt that fits my LA100. As we can tell right there, it says traction belt for the 100, the L100, and LA Series 100, the LA100 series. And the guy whenever I talked to him, he said, yes, your tractor just happened to fall into it needing the other belt, which is this one here, the GX22036. And that's what this is on the John Deere website. And if we scroll down, we can see that it only fits just a handful of different tractors. The 102, the D100, the L100, the LA100, and the LA105. So here's that belt that I need on Amazon, but check this out. I was able to go just down the street to my John Deere dealer and get the same belt in stock ready for me to pick up for $1 more. Not a bad deal. Amazon's not always the best route when it comes to OEM parts. Alrighty, we got that parts discrepancy out of the way, and I could see how easy it would be to order the wrong belt online if you didn't know which belt you had. The easiest thing to do, though, is just get your serial number and your model number and call John Deere or go to the John Deere dealer. And like I said, man, you can get the same part pretty much for the same price. I'd gladly pay $1 extra if they had it in stock and I could go get it right now instead of waiting a couple days, wouldn't you?